So I'm going to show you how to check the available storage space on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you swipe up and go to settings, and then on the left hand side of the settings page, scroll down to device care, tap on that, and then tap on storage, you can actually see how much storage space you have. So for instance, I have used almost 70% and I have just about 30% of the 256 gigs. Okay, now here you can see the maximum capacity of your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now some will have 256 gigs, some will have 512. There could be others with a terabyte of internal storage. So just check that, and what you've used, you subtract that from the maximum capacity, and then you get how much you have available. So if you swipe, you will see also the storage situation of your micro SD card inside your tablet. So if you do have a micro SD card, you can actually see the same. I have 268 gigs available in my micro SD card, and I've only used 394 MB. So I have a lot of space on my micro SD card. So you can just swipe like this and compare between the internal storage and the SD card. Thanks for watching, and good luck.